Hi friends, this time for a change and on request, I came up with a basic product review, a product which I was looking for my wildlife videography, and after all the permutation and combination, my search ended with Panasonic SCV785 high definition video camera. At the end of the video, I will tell you why I choose this product. So let's unbox it. Panasonic SCV785 comes with many features, and as it mentioned in the box itself, it has Full HD, Auto OIS lock, high sensitivity, it has a mic input, intelligent zoom 50x and optical zoom 20x. It has a wireless twin camera, you can connect your phone with your camera. It has a HDR movie functions and lever shot function. If you are looking for a small compact camcorder for your videography need, then HCV V785 is a good choice. The aperture of V785 is f1.8 to 3.6. Let's flip the box and see what all the other things are mentioned. The serial number and barcode mentioned to authenticate the original product. The product is made in Malaysia and its manufacture date is December 2019 and has a MRP of INR 35,000. And I got this product for 31,500 from Future Forward. Let's see what all the other optional accessories available in the market. The optional accessories are carrying case, battery pack, battery charger, wide conventional lens, remote pen tilt cradles, LED video light, and stereo microphone. These are the optional accessories which you can buy as per your need. Let's unbox it. Here we go. The packing looks nice. The first impression of the camera looks good and compact, which can easily fit into the palm. The weight is around 350 grams, and on the flap, the brand name, the full high definition, and the model number mentioned. On the left top, 50x eye zoom mentioned, however it has 20x optical zoom. It has a windshield 5.1 channel zoom microphone setup on the top. The controls are very straightforward. The zoom lever works as volume lever too. And this is a photo shoot button. Here is a shoe adapter which is very handy for attaching a microphone or video light. Recording button is in the right position like in other recorder, and just below the adapter here is the place for the battery. This is a charging point. Typical proprietary connection is connected to charge Handycam. And the little trapdoor at the bottom for SD cards. If shooting a video in MP4 or iFrame, it's suggested to use class 10 memory card. With standard tripod hole, you can install in any 1.4 tripod stand. Coming to the front, it has a built-in light and automatic shutter. The push button is for the control of various functions and manual control and focus. Let's see what else we got. User manual. Do read the manual before using the product. A warranty card of the product. A USB cable, a shoe adapter, a AC adapter, this is a DC cable, and the battery pack, and HDMI micro cable. Let's install the battery. A sound of click when notified that battery is locked. Let's see how the shoe adapter fits and look after installation. As I mentioned, you can install additional microphone or flashlight into the hot shoe. Once you will open the flare, here is the button for shoes adapter release. If I'll pull it down and can pull my adapter. There is a recording play button, level shot function button, Wi-Fi function, and power button. This is a 3.5mm microphone jack. This is a AV connector and slot for micro HDMI connection and a USB thermal. The screen can be rotated up to 90 degrees, which is helpful if you are clicking selfie. Apart from the camera, I received a camera bag. Bags looks okay and the brand name mentioned on it. Let's unzip it to see the quality from inside. A velvet finishing from inside which can take good care of your camcorder. I also got 16 GB ScanDisk Ultra SDSC UHS-1 card, which has a speed up to 48 Mbps per second. As mentioned, why I choose Panasonic SCV785 over other camcorder, I had a fair amount of trouble while doing video using DSLR camera, as they are like fixed focus and tend to make a lot of noise when they are trying to focus on subject. Initially I was looking for 4K video camcorder, but they are too pricey. As compared to other Panasonic camcorder, SCV785 has larger sensor size 1/0.91 compared to 1/2.28, more effective pixel 6.03 compared to 2.2, lower aperture value at high zoom f3.6 compared to f4.2, better megapixel on still images 24 compared to 10 megapixel, and more importantly 5.1 channel windshield zoom microphone, which make this camcorder a perfect choice for me. You can also use your smartphone as a sub camera and shoot dual video or picture-in-picture together. Overall, it's a good looking compact camcorder with 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilizer. If you need detailed product review, do comment on the video below. I'll come up with detailed specifications, pros and cons of the camcorder. Thank you for watching.